to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in again. As you remember, in my latest video, I shared that I am back in cosmetology school. Yes, I am. It's been over 10 years since the last time I actually attended cosmetology school. A lot of you know my experience with that school was horrible. I did a full story time. It's probably still on my channel. You gotta scroll all the way down to 2017. But yeah, so I wanted to share with you guys my kit, what I got in my kit. Now, I don't have everything from my kit because some stuff I left at my school because we have to practice state board. And honestly, like, the kit is very heavy to take everything home. So I left some stuff in my locker, but I'll probably explain to you guys what I left in my locker, and I'll just show you guys what I took home. This is for anybody that wants to go to beauty school, that, you know, wants to see what you guys might receive. Every beauty school is different. You know, every beauty school receives pretty much the same type of tools, but different brands. Some could be high-end, you know, it really doesn't matter. But it's pretty much the same, I would say, in every beauty school. So let's start with this bag that I have here. I have some curl clips, come with a big pack of curl clips that I actually just used on a client because I just gave him locks, my boyfriend. Yes, I just gave my boyfriend locks. So this definitely came in handy. Comes with 80 clips in a box. You're gonna definitely need that. I think this is the most hated tool in beauty school, and if I'm wrong, let me know below, but the Marcel. The Marcel, it twists. Look, you guys, it twists. This is where the degrees are. You can turn it. Yeah, I don't think nobody likes this curling iron. I can't stand it. But I will say, it's crazy because the second time, now that I'm in beauty school again, I actually low-key mastered it. I wouldn't say I mastered like I'm a master, but I've been practicing for days and like literally doing the same thing over and over. And I feel like I'm getting better with it. I mean, I don't even remember using this when I went to my first beauty school. I remember them giving it to me, and I think I still have it, but I don't even remember practicing with it, which is crazy. This one is by Baby Bliss Pro, so they use like top quality brands. Baby Bliss Pro is top quality, child. Let me show you that. This is how it looks. And this is basically to do the Marcel curls, which you will be doing on state board. Luckily, it's only 3, and luckily the hair will be cut when you do it, because right now my mannequin isn't cut. We haven't gotten to cutting yet. So when I'm doing the Marcel curls, it's a little harder for me because the hair is so long and I have to continuously wrap it around the barrel. But my professor told me that during state board, you're going to be cutting first. So by the time you get to the Marcel, the hair will be shorter, so it'll be easier to curl and it won't take as long. But yeah, so I got the Marcel. These are the 3 brushes that I got. This one is bigger, medium, and then this is the smallest. I guess it depends on like what type of curls you want. If you want big waves, you know, you use this one, medium or small. So I got these 3 brushes. That's for my blow drying. You have these 4, and they don't have any numbers on them. 47, no, they don't have any numbers. So, but I have these brushes. A ton of combs. We have your basic rat tail comb. We have your all-purpose comb. I know this is an all-purpose one. I have a lot of all-purpose combs. Another rat tail comb. I think I come with like 3 rat tail combs and 3 all-purpose combs. Then they have the ones that I don't know what's the name of this brand. I can't see it. But they have the combs that you can use for heat, like that won't melt or burn. This one will probably burn and melt if you use it on heat. But then I have this all-purpose comb that it has the gold right here. This one you can use on heat and it won't burn your comb. I got another one of those. More all-purpose combs, lots of them, lots of them. Another rat tail, more all-purpose. Another one that won't burn, another one that won't burn. Like, these are the really good ones. This is another one that won't burn. When I do the Marcel curls, this is the one you're supposed to use because it won't burn, as I said. I have this one, and I have the same one of this one, but look at it. I have to clean her. I just did locks, so this is extremely dirty. Do not judge me. I'm going to clean it. But yeah, those are the combs. I I also have a brush, just your average hairbrush, Sculpt Master again. A lot of clips. I have these clips in black and I have them in white as well. Let me show you. They're kind of out of the package because like I said, I'm doing hair, but I have the white clips and I have them in black. It comes with 6 in a pack. Now I'm gonna go into my kit. My actual like zip up kit. I'm gonna show you how the bag looks. This is the bag. This is how it looks. My spool's on the side, but this is a big old bag. This is what you're gonna get when you go to cosmetology school, a big bag like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it and share what's inside. So we got, it's called Crown Pro. I got mascara. We have some lip liners here. We have a whole thing of brushes that we got. Okay, that one fell. A whole thing of brushes. The brushes aren't that bad. We got some makeup wipes, and then we have some lip color stuff, which was okay. I actually like the lip stuff. Some eyeshadows. The eyeshadows weren't bad either. And some blushes. The blushes were horrible. I did not like the blushes on me. What else do we have in here? They gave us a whole pack of spoolies, you know, for our kits. Go To Beauty. This is the brand. This is more eyeshadow. I have Go To Beauty Beach Glow. This is the highlighters. The highlighters weren't that bad. They weren't that bad. I didn't use them, but I've seen them on other people in my class. They're not that bad, but I'm just very like, I don't know. And then we have the Crown Cream Foundation. This is what I definitely don't think I would use on myself or on clients, because I mean, I used a little bit, but I don't know. I just feel like it'll break me out. I don't know. Maybe I'll do a video doing a full face of makeup using my beauty school kit makeup. But this is how it looks. Okay, so in my bag, we have the Soft and Style 8-piece hair colorist toolkit. And inside of this, I haven't even opened it yet, comes with a bowl, large clips. It comes with a wide tooth comb. So this is the first time I'm seeing this too, because I didn't even open it. And it comes with 2 brushes, one with a comb and a little brush for color, and then another regular brush. I don't know what brand this is. Let me see. It just says, yeah, it's just a toolkit. So contains 8-piece container set. So I guess this is when we start color, and we're not starting color for a while because they told us to take this home. My razor kit, and this is for like, you know, if I want to get into barbering and doing men's hair. So this is what comes in it. So let me just take it out. So it's the Sculpt Master again. It comes with stainless steel blades, as you can see. These are like a whole bunch of, what are these? These are razors? Yeah, these are razors, pretty much. I don't want to take them out, but these are razors that it comes with. It comes with 2 combs, 2 all-purpose combs, I would say, really, really large ones. I have my scissors, my scissor kit that I can't wait to show you guys. So this is by Ninja Swordsman, stainless steel. This is how it looks. I'm gonna open it. Ooh. And these are the scissors. I don't want to take them out, so I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks. These are the scissors, gold and silver. They're so pretty. I love that they're in a velvet box. They just feel so like expensive, and I mean, for what I'm paying for the school, it should be. So yeah, I got my scissors. We're not doing hair cutting anytime soon, so they are with me. I got some bottles for color. I got a lot of cold wave rods. Got 1 pack, 2 pack, 3 packs of gray, 1 pack of white, 2 more packs of white. So all of these. I have some Sculpt Master shampoo cape, and then I have a chemical cape in silver, and I have a crinkle nylon uniform. Oh, it's a uniform. And it also comes with some more other capes I have here. What do I have here? I have the Pivot Motor Combo Andis. These are clippers. Comes in this box right here. I'm not gonna open it, but yeah, they're clippers. So can't wait to try that. We have Naomi. Naomi is the African-American doll that I wish they would update and treat with some respect, because the way they make these African-American dolls, it's as if like, I mean, well, the white dolls are not really that attractive either. They look pretty bland and boring. So yeah, anyway, but this is Naomi. This is Naomi. I'm pretty sure we're gonna do relaxers on her because you learn how to do relaxers in cosmetology school. But this is my black doll. This is Miss Naomi. This one is Deborah. I have like 3 Deborahs. I think I have, yes, I have like 3 Deborahs. I have 2 Deborahs in my locker, and this is a Deborah that I get to take home. I'm pretty sure we're probably gonna color her or something, but I have a Deborah. See, all of them look pretty blonde and plain to me. They don't look like they have any extreme makeup. I've seen mannequins that look like humans. I feel like they should update the mannequins and make them look like humans, like makeup, everything. But, you know, I don't think they're gonna do that. I have some more rods. I just found them in purple. I have gloves. Gave us some gloves. And I think that's all that I brought home. The rest of my stuff, I have my flat iron in my locker. I have my nail kit in my locker. I have my blow dryer in my locker. I have my books, but I showed you guys my books that I use. A few Deborahs, like 2 Deborahs in my locker. And what else? I feel like I have more stuff in my locker. Yeah, but those are in my class. But this is pretty much what I was supposed to take home. So yeah, that is what my beauty kit consists of. Let me know below if you guys got anything different or added, or if your mannequins were better than mine, or in what school you went to. Another thing with your kit, don't let nobody stuff. You paying for your kit, okay? Some schools that you include it in the financial aid, some schools you pay out of pocket. Either or, if somebody says, can I borrow? The answer is no. Everybody gets the same thing in their kit. If you lost yours, that's your problem. And I'm not being mean, I'm just being real. We spend too much money on these products for us to give it to somebody, then they lose it. I don't care, classmate, friend, you're not using my stuff. So that's just a little tip as far as, since I've already been to beauty school, you know, if you're going and you're new, don't let nobody anything from your kit, because if they lose it, then you're out of it. Then you're gonna have to go in your pocket and buy it, and it just gets messy. Like, I just say, like, no, I don't have it, or no. That's it. No explanation, just no. But guys, school is going so well. I'm still in the beginning stages, but I am learning a lot. It's way better than my first experience. Like, the teachers are so attentive and amazing. They actually watch you. In my school, we can't use phones. Like, in my old school, it was music blasted and talking. This one, no phones, classic music playing in the background, and we're all just focused on what we're focused on. We have a lot of tests, which I really love. I don't even remember us having a lot of tests in my first school at all. Like this one, we actually have theory for 1 week online, and then physical, you know, actually doing what we need to do in person. So it's a lot of tests. It's going really, really well, and I feel like I'm enjoying myself again, and I'm happy about it again. And I wasn't happy the first time. I was like, oh, you know, this sucks. I went to this school, and, you know, but, oh, sorry. But I feel like I'm happy again, and I'm like, I don't know, I just feel like I'm like, it's starting all over and starting brand new. And I just want to let anybody out there know that it doesn't matter how old you are, start over. If it didn't work out the first time, like Aaliyah, the great Aaliyah said, dust yourself off and try again, because it's the truth. I mean, I'm so glad that I went back. I can't wait until like I'm months in, and then I almost graduate. I have plans of like what salons I want to work at, if I want to work for myself. I'll let you guys know all of that towards the middle of my beauty school journey. Right now, I'm not trying to focus so much on like, what am I doing after school? I'm just literally just trying to learn everything I can and take it day by day. You know, I think the first time I was very like, oh, I'm going to do this and this and this. And it's great to be ambitious, but be realistic. And I wasn't realistic. You know, I wasn't realistic with myself at all. I'm realistic now. I know that as soon as I get out, it's not going to be super easy. I'm going to get hired anywhere. You know, I know this is a learning progress, and I'm willing to learn, and I'm willing to wait and take my time. But that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my mini little haul. I love you guys so much. I really appreciate all the love and support. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know below if you have any cool dolls, anything else you got out your kit. What brands did they use? Because I know my first school did not use Baby Bliss. I don't know what brand they used, but I know it wasn't Baby Bliss. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next video, but don't forget to keep slaying.